Alright, this is from eBay. This is Snap-on Ratchet. The shipping was $9.78 on it, but you see it's $11.95 here. So it's already $2.17 the guy lost on the shipping. I guess they raised a lot of the shipping on the post office. Let's get it out here. Taped up, it's got bubble wrap in it. It's really packed in there. There it comes. I think I got a good deal on this. Let's get it out here. Not bad. Not bad. There's nothing. It looks like it's brand new. Said it was used. It had some little mark scuffings on it. I don't see no scuffings on it. And it's a USA tool. Alright, this is a 17-inch long ratchet. The number on this was FFL80. 80 is 80 tooth on here. This ratchet lists for $155 on snap-on.com. You go to snap-on.com, you can order the tools right there. You don't need a truck. But it was $155. He had this listed for $89.50, $9.78 shipping. I offered $75 for the ratchet, and he accepted the $75. So I got this for $84.78 shipped, saving $70 off the Snap-on tool. This is brand new. This ratchet, 17 inches long. I was questioning, because I see a couple of them, it had USA up here. USA, and this don't have it. And I seen a video, which the guy was probably wrong, and he's saying that all the Snap-on tools were made in China. So I messaged this seller back, and he says they're absolutely not. His uncle worked for Snap-on for many years. So it's either on the faceplate or the handle. And as you see right here, after the marking of the FFL80, it says USA. Light's kind of dim here. It says USA here. So this is a USA made tool. Not bad. This is a nice ratchet that I picked up. It was a good price. Now I see a lot of these selling for $130, $149. Same ratchet. Plus $13 shipping. So I got a good deal with this. $84 shipped. I did order another one, but a smaller one, a little shorter one. That should be here a couple of days. I got a good deal on that one also. But I don't have a long ratchet in my toolbox, and this will do a deal when you try to get real down in where you need a lot of room instead of putting a breaker bar on. So this was a good deal on here. I'm happy with this. It's an 80 tooth Snap-on.